Namaste. I'm Aishwarya Dandekar from the Yoga Institute. Today, we are going to talk about nature therapy, also known as ecotherapy or green therapy. It is a growing field that emphasizes the healing power of nature to improve your mental and physical well-being. In today's fast-paced world, where stress and anxiety levels are on the rise, reconnecting with outdoors offers a much-needed relief. Here's how nature therapy can help reduce stress. Number 1. Spending time in natural surroundings such as forests, gardens, or beaches allows us to immerse ourselves in the sense of outdoors. This helps to shift focus away from stress and promotes a sense of calm and relaxation. Second, studies show that being in nature can lower your cortisol levels, reduce blood pressure, and reduce your stress levels. The peacefulness of natural environments provides a break from the constant stimulation of the outside world, from the modern life, allowing our bodies and mind to unwind. Number 3. Nature therapy encourages us to develop a deeper connection with the earth and its elements. Whether it's feeling the grass beneath your feet, listening to the rustling of leaves, walking on the sand, or watching the sunset. All these experiences foster a sense of grounding and connection to something which is greater than oneself. Nature also provides an ideal setting for the practice of mindfulness, which is the practice of being fully present in the moment, paying attention to the sight, smell, and sound and the sensations in the nature. This can help individuals cultivate mindfulness, which has been shown to reduce the stress and enhance overall well-being. Number 4. Nature therapy can also be a social experience, whether it's enjoying a hike with friends, participating in outdoor activities, or simply spending time with loved ones in a natural setting. These social connections are vital for your emotional well-being, as these helps reduce the feeling of loneliness or isolation. And lastly, engaging in nature fosters a greater appreciation for the environment, developing a sense of responsibility towards our Mother Earth, provides a sense of fulfillment and purpose, contributing to overall life satisfaction. So, the next time you're feeling stressed or simply overwhelmed, consider spending some time in any natural environment around you. Your mind and body will thank you for it. Thank you.